Today I'm presenting to you one of my favorite pets around the world. His name is Fit, and we also call him Sita. He's a very nice bird, although he can be a little bit naughty, sneaky, and likes to chew stuff. But in this video, right now, he's not going to chew anything because, we're recording him, and he may not be the smartest bird in the whole world, but he's a good friend. He can listen to me whenever he wants. He loves me, my sister, and my mom, but he hates my grandma. They both hate each other, but that's okay, because we're all a big family, all together around the world. He's the only animal that we have and that we haven't sold or died. Like my first pet, Lassie. I miss her. But right now, we're talking about Fit. Fit is a great friend. Fit is an animal. Fit is my whole best friend in the whole world. Rewind that. Anyway, he's a loyal friend. He's a cockatiel. We love each other, and he likes to fly a lot, although he hits himself in the wall. He lives, and he will live long enough. And I think Fit is special. We love you, Sita, forever and ever. We love you, Sita, so much. See, he can be naughty. See you later. See? Because Sita, no. Sita, no. Okay, thank you. Okay, Sita, later. Bye.